Hey friends, John Bead just sent me several bags of their new craft beads. My niece was here when I opened the box and she was almost as excited as I was. Today we're making beaded wire valentines to use as a bag charm or hang on your Valentine's Day tree. To put these together, I'm using Dazzle-It 12 gauge aluminum wire and Metal Complex 22 gauge wire in matching colors. On some scrap wood, you want to trace a heart, and every ½ inch or so, tap in a finishing nail in the shape of the heart. This will give you a perfect heart shape every time. Next, cut some 12 gauge Dazzle-It wire and wrap it around the heart shape. With the excess, bend a loop with one end and wrap the base of it with the other, and then clip off the excess. Pour out your craft beads for easy access. I love how many they include in each bag. These bags are great for a family or group project. Add a length of the 22 gauge Metal Complex wire to the side, thread some beads, and start wrapping the heart. Add more beads, about 4 or 5, and keep going until your heart is filled with beads and wire. These craft beads are perfect for making custom jewelry like bracelets, necklaces, and earrings, or decorative items like phone charms and keychains. Now we're going to pick out a message and spell it out with the square letter beads. Add more wire to the heart shape, add some colorful beads, then a word, a spacer bead, another word, and then some more beads, and then wrap the first line across the heart. Repeat this for the other lines. Now all you have to do is add a ribbon and you've got an amazing bag charm or a Valentine's Day ornament. Here's a tiny sneak peek of my Valentine's Day tree. Try different combinations too. Here I'm making one with gold wire and the red star beads collection. This mix is one of my favorites, but there are so many mixes to choose from. Here they are, my beaded wire Valentines. Let me know what you think in the comments, okay? I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.